Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I am bringing you something really cool and unique today. I'm super excited about it. I got contacted by a company named FYTOO, FYTOO.com, FYTOO.com. They are an eyeglasses company, whether it be prescription glasses or reading glasses, sunglasses, or just blue blocker glasses. FYTOO.com has a wide variety of different styles. They contacted me about doing a try-on and an unboxing, and at first I thought, well, gosh, I have progressive lenses, so I'm not sure that'll really work, but let's just try it out and see. And so they did say that they could do progressive lenses. And you know what progressive lenses are? That's when you need different for close-up and reading than you do for your regular glasses. And so the progressive lenses go from one to another right within the glasses, and nobody else can tell, only you can tell. So I decided to give it a try. So by the way, they have been so wonderful to work with. It's a company out of Hong Kong, by the way. And one of the best things that I've noticed about the company is their glasses are very reasonably priced. They have amazing different styles of frames. Just wait till you see. And their price is, I mean, compared to what we pay in the United States for glasses, the ones I have on, I think, cost me at least $800 for these glasses. The glasses I'm going to try on, how much they cost depends on the style, the frame, things like that. But it costs around $100 for a pair of glasses from FYTOO.com. I mean, the difference is crazy, right? So I have not tried the glasses on yet. They're still in this box. I'm going to be trying them on right now. I'm going to give you the code now, and then I'll give you the code after I'm done doing the try-on as well. But there is a code specific to my account, and you would get 15% off your total order using the code. And the code is StephStyle15. Steph, S-T-E-P-H, S-T-Y-L-E 15. StephStyle15. 15% off the already low price. So, okay, let's just see how they look and how they do with the glasses too. All right, here's the box that it comes in, and yeah, I think there's a little easy way to open it here. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna open it up. All right, and they send out some fog out, the cleaner for your glasses. This is a PD ruler. Pupillary distance is something you will need to have. When you order glasses from FYTOO, you need your prescription and you need your pupillary distance. If you don't have one of these, however, you can, they will give you a little way to do it on your own. There's some apps that can help you do it as well. So you need pupillary distance and your prescription, of course. Let's see, and then this is some lens cloth and some tools, I believe, for repairing your eyeglasses. That comes with it too. So, all right, I am pretty excited. There's the little tool and the little eyeglass cleaner. So, and then I got 4 pairs of glasses. 4 pair, which, you know what I love about it? I love having different glasses for different outfits. And so that is super exciting to me. So let's see. Here's what they look like in the box. Just a small box. Well, I didn't even show you the lens, but that is the name, how that looks. So they come in a soft and silky little package is what the glasses come in. And a nice little tie with, these are really nice. The pouch that it comes in is really nice. So super exciting. I got 4 pairs of glasses, and I'm going to have all of the pairs linked in my description of this video. So let's go ahead and try the first one. Let's see, I'm going to show you as I am seeing them for myself. Oh my gosh. This is the pair that I'm the most excited about. And this pair is the Emily. Emily is the name of this one. It's red with, I love the shape of these glasses. I have never seen any glasses this shape. They have a protective covering on them right now, but they've got the pink, and I'm going to take the protective covering off right now. They've got pink and red, pink down here, red up here, and then they've got kind of a, kind of like a leopard pattern Look at, I want to show up close so you can see that. Isn't that just so cute? I'm super excited. This is the one that I'm the most excited about. Well, I don't know. There's some other cute ones too. You know, I did not select any boring options, right? You just know it. So, all right, we're going to take these off. And here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Ah, look at these. Oh, I love these. Oh my gosh. Wow. I love them. They're, you know what? They feel, you might be thinking, well, maybe they're flimsy if they're not as expensive. No, these are heavy and they're great. They're very clear. Can I read the small print though? I can read the small print. I seriously can't believe they're wonderful. I can read, I can see what I'm doing. And you know I wear my glasses in all of my videos, so you'll be watching me wear these other times too. It almost looks like a little, you know, it's like you have a cat eye almost. So I really love these. All right. I love these. These are my favorite so far. Of course, it's the first pair, but, and then, you know, you can keep them in this little holder. So that is the Emily. Oh my gosh. I thought I was going to love them, and I love them. I really love them. Okay. And then what's next? Woo woo. Pulling these out. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Okay, this one is the Norton. The Norton. I'm really impressed that they got the progressive right. I was worried because I don't think that's an easy thing to get right, but they did a good job. All right, we're taking off the protective cover. And here is the Norton. Bright royal blue. And they're nice and big, which I love. And they match my nail polish. I did not plan that out, but you know. All right, we are going to try on the Norton. Oh. Oh, oh, I love them. I like having a little bit bigger. Sometimes when I wear like smaller glasses frames, my eyes look kind of beady and small, but these actually are great. I love how big they are. Now let's just see these two. I'm going to show you how little, let's see, how tiny the print is here. Make sure I have nothing else on there. Like, just look how little this print is. And I'm able to read that perfectly. So, the progressive deal, if you need progressives or you need something like that, they did mine really well. I'm super excited about that because I wanted to wear these. Wanted to wear these in my videos, you know. So, oh my gosh, look at that. Royal blue. I love it. I love it. They're so, so cute. Okay, that is the Norton. I can't believe they sent me 4 pair of prescription glasses. And I can't believe the price on them too, because, you know, glasses are expensive to buy in the United States. Okay, 2 more pairs. I'm kind of excited. Woo woo. All right, the next one. There's still some really, oh, this one is the Millicent. This is the Millicent. And this is kind of a purplish on top and a blue, kind of a bluish on bottom, or yeah, kind of like a blue, smoky blue on the bottom. We're going to take this off if we can. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, we're going to take that off. You know what I love? Look at this. This it's kind of got a different shape and color to it. This little side thing here. Okay, so, all right, it's kind of a purple on top and a bluish on bottom. Let's see how these look. Ooh. Ooh. These are kind of like my current ones. They're not that much different, really. I mean, they're about this, they're really close to the same size and shape, actually. So, obviously, I love them because I picked, you know, those are my regular ones I've been wearing. Wow. I have a few scratches on my lenses of my regular ones, and so I'm super excited to have these. They're so cute. I love them, and I can read with them. You know, there was a time when I only wore, I just wore readers, but then I needed prescription glasses, and so now I'd rather have 1 pair of glasses, you know, throughout the day. I don't have to take them off and put them back on. These are great. The blue down here is really kind of subtle, but yeah, I really like that. Okay, that is, and the next pair, oh, by the way, this is the, I didn't tell you, did I? This is the Millicent. So Millicent I like. It's a little bit similar to the ones I have, but different enough that it'll provide some variation. So yay for that. All right, we have one more pair. One more pair. I'm super excited about this one. You know why? This is a different shape for me, and I don't know. I don't know what it will look like. And these are tortoise shell, and they're Charlie. Charlie is the name of the style. I'll take them out so you can see them better. And okay, here is the Charlie, taking off the tape. Wanted to give you a look up close because they're, let's see, they are kind of like that tortoise shell look. And they're darker and they're smaller than what I'm used to, but ooh, ooh. Oh, wow. Look at that. I kind of like it. They're smaller than I'm used to wearing, but with the right outfit, yes. I'm just going to, it's hard to see that it's tortoise shell, so I'm just going to do up close here. But yeah, I like them. They're very different than what I'm used to. I really like that. They could go with a lot of different things. So, and yeah, again, they seem to really know how to do the, you know, if you give them your prescription, they'll plug it in exactly what you have them plug in. So I'm going to put my favorite pair on of the four. And that is, of course, the part of the reason I wore a red shirt today. Oh my gosh, I love these. They're a little bit vintagey looking, but a little bit not, a little bit funky, and I love them. Okay, so anyway, that is the try-on from FYTOO.com. I want to get FYTOO.com, give them a huge shout out and a huge thank you. Like I said, I did receive these glasses for free. My review of them and my try-on is totally my opinion, true opinion. These are my favorites, and FYTOO.com, the service was amazing, and you will get an extra 15% off if you use the code StephStyle15, and I'm going to have that written here on the screen, but StephStyle15, 15% off. Thank you to everyone who has watched the video, and let me know what you think if you are going to, or if you got any glasses from FYTOO. Would love to hear what you thought too. All right, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.